Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Have you ever experienced a combination that you got plenty of compliments on and you wanted to try it again to see if you got those same compliments again? Well, I have a combination that I have recently experienced this experience with, and I wanted to share what that combination was. So if you're interested in knowing what that combination was, or maybe you want to try it for yourself, just keep watching. Hey fam, I had to go into the office, all right? And we were standing at the food truck. They had the food truck. It was like Haas Burgers. Like, again, this is in Tennessee, so you all might not have Haas Burger. I think I'm saying it right. But anyway, we had a food truck that day. And my senior VP of the company complimented me on my fragrance. So much so, she said I walked from one end and then crossed you again to see if that was you smelling so good. And I said, my favorite compliment. And from my senior VP, honey, you know I was like in heaven. I was like, yeah, she's smelling good. She's smelling good. And the big boss is saying she's smelling good. Ooh, right? So I was so happy on that. Well, when I was asked what I was wearing, girl, I drew a blank. I know. I drew a blank for a minute. And I was like, oh my goodness, well, what am I wearing? What did I wear? So I said to her, because I remembered one of the things that I put on, okay? And it was Loewe, it was Pink Magnolia. And so I told her, I said, oh, Loewe Pink Magnolia. And she was like, oh, okay. You know, the people that are not into fragrances, they don't know, right? They're like, they're expecting you to say something like maybe something they have in their wardrobe. But fragrance lovers, we kind of tend to have like different things. Anyway, so she was like, oh, okay. She said, that smells good. Well, when I went home, girl, I put on more than that. Because it was sitting on my dresser, and I was like, let me come to my fam and let you know the full concoction of what I was wearing so I could feel a little better about like semi-gatekeeping. I actually forgot. But I was semi-gatekeeping. But I wanted to come to you all and let you know what I was wearing. So first, I started off with Madam. Okay, and this is from Brown Sugar Babe. And this is, I want to say, don't get me wrong, this is the House of Sillage Minnie Mouse. Okay, I had to think, because y'all know I go from House of Sillage, House of Beau, House of Oud, all these houses. I'm like, get them all mixed up. But yes, House of Sillage, that's what the influence is by. House of Sillage Minnie Mouse, okay? So I believe this has like probably raspberry, strawberry, very floral type of fragrance, fruity floral, but so good. And spot on to that fragrance, might I add, because I do have that fragrance. So spot on. But this was my base. So after I did my cocoa butter, well, of course, took my shower, girl. Okay. I got to go through all that? No, I didn't think so. But I put on the cocoa butter, blah, blah, blah. This was like my base, right? This is what I put. So I had a fruity floral type of experience. But so good. This is amazing. So if you're looking for something new from Brown Sugar Babe, you probably have this in your collection. Because some of my fam, y'all are Brown Sugar Babe fans. So I know you all have this. This is probably old. But Madam, Absolutely love it down. Then I topped it with my new Feels at Nightfall. I told you I've been using this. Damn. As you can see, girl, I just got this. Y'all know y'all sis don't put dents in nothing. Yeah, are y'all proud of me? Say it. Y'all proud of me. I know y'all lied. I knew it. But I put Feels at Nightfall on top, okay? And again, this is a musky floral scent. Very clean, like again, clean reserved skin. If you have that, then you know what this smells like. Similar. This is like a clean skin, warm, clean skin type of scent. Oh, it's so good. But I put this on top of my base. So good. So good. Now, this is not going to last. It's not going to last. This is probably why when I was smelling, like, I didn't smell myself. Because this is not going to last. Now, there's other ones that's going to last. That's probably what she smelled. But this, yes. But it does give you a great musky, warm scent. And I love it. And it has the white florals in it, so that plays well. So good. Highly would recommend. This is from Zara. So again, I believe I got this for about $30. Pricing is amazing. So get this for your life. I would highly recommend this fragrance. Feels at Nightfall was my kind of foundational layer of fragrance. It's like my body spray, my body fragrance, my fragrance spray. Girl, they call so many different things. So this was next. So next up, I did smell it. So I did have Loewe, and this is Pink Magnolia. So good. If you like a good, warm, floral, fruity fragrance, this is it. This is so good and girly, and it smells amazing. Like, this will always be in my collection. This is definitely a lifer. I would re-up on the re-up of this. This is amazing. Okay, you have to. Like, actually, I think this might, I put on the Woman in White today. I put on the Woman in White. I talked about that in another video, so go back. But I have that as my base. I just put this on. This is so good, and it lasts. And it's fruit. It's floral. It's more floral, like, so again. But this is not the floral that's going to turn you off. It's so pretty, girl. It's so soft. This is really good. So this was the next of the combination, but this is what I could remember. Okay, so if that tells you something, it definitely projects. This is what I could remember from everything that I did. But I probably wouldn't have told her I did Madam, then I did this, but I probably wouldn't have said that. Like, do you all do that? If somebody asks you what you're wearing, you like, well, first I put this, and then I put this, and then I put that, and do y'all do that? Or do you all pick one of what you put on? Or do you say, I just put on a combination? Like, how do you explain that when people compliment you? Comment down below. Let me know, because maybe I need some teachings. Educate your sis. Educate me on how do you explain your lovely concoctions that you're putting on your body? Because I know you're getting compliments, so let me know. Okay, anyway, Loewe Pink Magnolia was then my third layer of loveliness. And last but certainly not least, I think, honestly, this might have been probably what did it. Because she is a oldie but goodie. And she stands out. She is not playing with you. So if you're putting Loewe Pink Magnolia, you got Feels at Nightfall, you got all these different things, then putting her on, that must have been what she was like, oh yeah, you doing it today. You show it out. And then another lady said, oh, she always smells good. I know, yeah. Thank you. But Coco Mademoiselle. Yes, girl. Chanelica. Girl. Chanelica has been reminding me, who is queen? Who is queen in your collection? Okay, like, I've been here and you want to put baby in the corner? Are you crazy? Like, that's what she's saying to me. But anyway, Coco Mademoiselle, you all, this was the top. This was the top. And I feel like, again, me walking, I feel like this was the scent trail. I mean, this could definitely give you a scent trail, but definitely projection. But like lingering, like where my senior VP walked, like intentionally walked to the other side of where the food truck was to come back over. And she was like, yeah, that was you. Yeah. Anyway, so good. Okay, so if you are looking for a great combination in your life, sis, here it is. I can't put all of them here, but this is it. This is like great. And then, when somebody says that, even though you believe them, you have to try it again to see, like, is this real or is this fakery? You got to just put it to the test again. Girl, I put it to the test again. I was out running, doing my running around, shopping, and literally a lady, as I am looking at clothes that I shouldn't have even been looking at. Y'all know how. But this lady came over and she was like, ma'am, oh my goodness, what do you have on? You smell so good. And this time I did say Coco Mademoiselle Chanel, because I feel like that everybody kind of knows this more than, she still didn't know what this was. Anyway, but she knew what Chanel was, but she didn't know this, right? Anyway, I feel like more people know this than the other fragrances that I would have mentioned. Okay, so at that time I said, oh, Coco Mademoiselle Chanel. She was like, oh my goodness, that smells so good. And I agree, because I did it again. So it's been proven. It's been tested and proven. The combination, for the combinations out there, the combination girlies, this is one for the books, okay? So I would highly recommend, again, if you have this in your collection, great. If you want to experience some of these fragrances, if you like my vibe, kind of like some similar fragrances that I like, this is a good one. I promise you, it's a great one. So, well, that is that. I wanted to share. I didn't want to gatekeep on a combination that I got compliments on. So I had to come to my family really quick and give you all the tea. Okay. You're welcome. Well, what combinations have you been concoctioning and putting together? I would love to know. What are you smelling like, sis? Okay, what compliments are you getting for this summer season? Are you showing out? I know you showing out. I know who my fam is. Y'all showing out. And it's okay. Because y'all tell me it's okay to show out. So I know y'all is showing out as well. We see each other. Well, until next time, make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoy the content, of course. And make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.